Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add experience in LinkedIn profile. So let's start this video. Open your LinkedIn app and click on your profile on the top left corner. Again click on your profile. Now click on this add section button. Here you have to click on add position, and from here you can add your experience. Here you have to write your company name. So as an example, I will select Amazon for this, and you can also select location over here. So I will select United States and location type as remote. Here you have to select the start date, that from when you started your employment. You can also check this box which says and current position as of now web developer, which is your main position. So after writing all these, you can also add skills and then click on save. So I'm just selecting randomly and then click on save, and my experience is added. So this is how you add experience. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.